Now what we are going to do is we'll allow this to cook a little. So this is an induction, so this will take little more time. So I have taken 1 cup of Alfonso mango here. Okay, we'll allow this to cook first. You have to make your pulp without using water. Okay, try not to add water to your pulp. How to fix price for fudge, I'll come to that in the end of the session. Thank you all. Okay, now let this cook here. So now we are going to keep this in freeze to set. You can keep this in freeze or in freezer, but when it is too hot outside, ठीक है, अगर बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, and if you keep it in freezer, this might ooze out the water later on. ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा वाटर पार्टिकल्स आ सकता है. So try to keep it in freeze only if you are not in any hurry. So you will be keeping this in freeze for straight 4 to 5 hours. ठीक है, and क्या करोगे, फ्रीज में रखने से पहले यू हैव टू कंपल्सरीली क्लिंग रैप इट. इसको अगर आपने ओपन फ्रीज में रख दिया सो इट विल बी प्रॉब्लमेटिक. सो हियर आई एम यूजिंग द क्लिंग रैप. ठीक है, मैंने इसको क्लिंग रैप कर दिया. क्लिंग रैप क्यों करना है? सो दैट एनी वाटर पार्टिकल्स विच इज़ देयर विल नॉट गो इनसाइड. सो इसको अच्छे से आप क्लिंग रैप करोगे लाइक दिस, एंड नाउ दिस इज रेडी टू गो इन फ्रीज और फ्रीजर. सो लेट मी, नाउ दिस इज लिटिल बिट कुक्ड. सो हियर आई एम एडिंग मिल्क पाउडर फर्स्ट. Make sure there are no lumps after adding milk powder. Stir it properly. Okay, now to this we are going to add condensed milk. Now you have to again cook this. सो आई हैव नॉट एडेड कार्डेमम पाउडर येट. इलायची पाउडर मैंने अब तक नहीं डाला. इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड सैफरन, अगर आपको सैफरन डालना है तो यू कैन डू इट राइट अवे. सी नाउ इट इज़ कमिंग टुगेदर, राइट. थिक हो रहा है मिक्सचर. द शेल्फ लाइफ ऑफ दिस इज ओनली 3 to 4 days, रिमेंबर दैट. एंड ऑल्सो वाइल यू आर मेकिंग दिस कीप स्टरिंग द साइड्स, अदरवाइज साइड्स पे स्टिक हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बर्न. सो कीप स्क्रैपिंग ऑफ द साइड्स को क्लीन करते रहो और सब मिक्सचर को बीच में लाना है. Low to medium. First you have to keep it in on low flame, then you can take it to medium flame, but not on high. When you do this on gas, it will cook little faster. Since this is an induction, it cooks little slow. Okay. It is necessary to cook in low to medium because if you put it on fast, chances are it might burn, but it will remain uncooked. ठीक है, जो उसको cook होना चाहिए वो होगा नहीं. It will remain uncooked, but it will burn from the base, from the bottom. इसलिए हमेशा लो टू मीडियम पे रख के ही इसको बनाना है. इफ़ यू सी नाउ इट हैज़ स्टार्टेड कमिंग टुगेदर अ लिटिल. सो द साइन कि ये अच्छे से कुक हो गया है इज़ दैट इट विल कम टुगेदर. The quantity of condensed milk is given in your notes. I have added the recipe notes. In that it is mentioned. So we have taken 1/3 cup of condensed milk and 1 cup of mango pulp. ओके मैंने इसमें पहले 1 tablespoon मिल्क पाउडर डाला था. हैड केप्ट हाफ tablespoon मिल्क पाउडर टू ऐड. सो आई डू दैट विथ कार्डेमम पाउडर, नॉट राइट नाउ. लेट इट कुक लिटिल बिट मोर एंड देन आई ऐड मोर हाफ tablespoon ऑफ मिल्क पाउडर एंड देन आई ऑल्सो ऐड द कार्डेमम पाउडर. Okay, and here I am adding cardamom also. If इलायची पाउडर का टेस्ट नहीं अच्छा लगता है you can skip it. It is almost cooked. It will take little more time, more 4 to 5 minutes, because I can see it leaving the pan. See, if I am scraping this off, it is getting clean. See, now here I have a fudge. ठीक है, if I am scraping this off, we are getting clean sides. Okay, see, This is when you know it is almost cooked. Ma'am, how to take the chocolate order? Sorry, today we are only going to answer the question from our module. You can ask me anything regarding the fudge, a mango fudge, what we are making today in today's module. Okay, now remember one thing, if you want to add in this kind of containers, plastic containers, ठीक है, so what you are going to do is, आपका ये बार ये फज बन गया, उसके बाद you will allow this to come down to little room temperature. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा गरम इसमें डाल दोगे, container will not be able to take that much of heat. ठीक है, so जब भी आपको ऐसे containers में डालना है, you will allow this to come down to little bit room temperature and then only put it in this. ऑलराइट, अगर आप टिन में डाल रहे हो सो टिन में आप डायरेक्टली डाल सकते हो बिकॉज टिन कैन टेक द हीट. ओके, नाउ टू दिस आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड पिस्ता एंड कैशियो. ठीक है, इसको मैंने कट कर लिया है. यू कैन ओनली ऐड पिस्ता और यू कैन ओनली ऐड कैशियूज, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली ऑन यू. Or if you are charging less, you can even skip both of this. ठीक है, can we make layer fudge from mango? What layers you want to make in this? You can definitely take orders from bakery or shops. If you can give them the promising price, why not? Now fudge का प्राइस कैसे सेट करोगे? First, take a paper, take a pen, list down all the ingredients you have used. ठीक है, अभी for an example I have taken all the ingredients, from that I am able to make let's say 500 grams of fudge. ठीक है, जो भी ingredients मैं use कर रही हूँ I am able to make 500 grams of fudge from that. So what you will do is list down all the ingredients, उसके आगे उसका rates लिखो कि आपको कौन सा चीज़ क्या rate में you have got it. ठीक है, then you have to multiply it by 3, add your labor charges in that, do not add the packing and container charges and all. ठीक है, जो भी आपको ingredients लगा है that plus your labor charges you are going to add all of that in that. multiply करो 2 से या maximum 3 से. after multiplying by 2 or 3, then now for example if I am using, let's say let this cook, so let's say if I am using this container, ठीक है, or any box if you are using, so अगर आपको वो box या फिर container पड़ा है for an example 10 rupees में, okay, including the shipping, अगर आपने online मंगाया है तो including the shipping charges and all. so now it is your choice कि आपको आपका जो selling price है वो particular thing का, उसमें if you want to add ₹10 you can add only ₹10, that is you are not taking anything for you in that price. या फिर आप instead of वो 10 rupees you can add ₹12 और 13, so that वो 2 या 3 रुपया आपका हो रहा है. ओके, वैसे आप कर सकते हो हमेशा. the packing charges, the container charges, the box charges, you can add them price to price. जो प्राइस में आपको मिल रहा है वो प्राइस में you can add. or you can charge little bit extra. That completely depends on you. Let me do it on fast. Let me tell you again, never make it on fast. Now one more thing, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, मेक श्योर योर मैंगोज आर स्वीट. अगर बाय चांस आपका मैंगोज उतना स्वीट नहीं है, कभी कभी हो जाता है ऐसा कि यू आर मेकिंग इट, यू हैव टेकन द ऑर्डर, योर मैंगोज आर नॉट दैट स्वीट, यू कैन एडजस्ट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ कंडेंस मिल्क अ लिटिल. ठीक है, थोड़ा कंडेंस मिल्क का क्वांटिटी बढ़ा दो, बट देन व्हाट विल हैपन इज आपका मैंगो का टेस्ट थोड़ा कम आएगा. करेक्ट, बिकॉज कंडेंस मिल्क का टेस्ट विल ओवर पावर. सो मेक श्योर whenever you are taking mangoes for fudge, those mangoes are sweet. Okay, this is done. See how thick the mixture is now. It will become more thick once it comes down to room temperature. Okay, now what I am going to do is, here I have few mango pieces. I am going to add the mango pieces in this. We'll mix this so that this cools down fast. I hope you have enjoyed today's workshop or today's class on mango fudge. Okay, we'll tap this. Okay, now to this what we are going to do is, I am adding little bit of mango to one side. Okay, here I have white chocolate, not too much. Okay, see, this is how it looks. Okay, now we'll see how you can make it in this. Okay, first what I am going to do is, let me add little bit of mixture. Okay, to this I am going to add the mangoes, so that when you eat the fudge you also get the taste of the mangoes. Little bit of pistas, cashew, and now I'll be adding the remaining mixture on the top. This is the bigger container which I am using. As I told you, you can use the small container, it will fit properly. Okay, just a second. So I'll clean these sides. So you can make it like this. Okay, now if you add packing, so we have a question: before multiplying with twice or thrice we can add packing charges. If you do so, your costing will be too high and no one will buy at that much high price. Alright, so do not add it. Which molds? This is a container. This you will get in any place where you get the disposable glasses, disposable plates and all. Okay, so let me just take this out and see. See, we have got a beautiful flower. Now this white is the white chocolate which we had added, correct? But this is not yet set. Keep it back in freeze, otherwise it will start melting. So this is how a flower looks. For the rest of the fudge, I'll be sharing a photo on Instagram and Facebook ID also. I'll be sharing the photos of the end results. You can see that. The smaller ones, the golden ones, are also disposable containers only. Chalo, bye bye.